Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Viva. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you have returned to hang out with me here on YouTube, I do really appreciate it. First, let me say Merry Gothmas and Happy Holidays. Today is New Year's Eve, and I hope I can get this up for you guys before Christmas Day. So, you might see this on Christmas Day. But anyway, I am super excited because I've got something that's really special to me that I want to share with you. And it is an unboxing of the November Collective Cosmetics subscription box. I won a contest on Instagram to name the box. And I'm going to open it up and we're both going to find out what is in the box for November. The name of the box is Cryoconite, and it is the Black Snow of Greenland, and that is the name that I picked to name the box. So if you're interested to see what's in here, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Side of the box looks like. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. It has the wax seal on it. So I'm gonna open that up first. Oh, I hate to break the seal, but it's what I gotta do to get in it. See, I need something I can slide under here because my nails ain't gonna do that. So how is everybody doing? For those of you that celebrate the holiday, please let me know in the comments if you have plans, if you cooked up a bunch of food or preparing a bunch of food to cook up tomorrow. Okay, here is the card. And it says, thank you. Congrats, Avita. Thank you so much for your support, Sarah. And the date on here is 11/20/23. So I know I'm late. Y'all know I'm always late. Say it with me. This is a late bus beauty over here. Okay, so here's the box. It's got their wrapping paper in here with their logo and these little like snowflakes. In black bubble wrap. Love that. Okay, so the first thing I see is a silver ooh, it's not powder. Wow, look at that. It doesn't say what it is on the bottom. Ooh, girl. I'm going to put it in the inside of my hand. Ooh, look at that. Can you see? Oh my. That is gorgeous. Ah. It's a, I want cream. It's like almost a balm, shadow, highlighter. I'm not sure, but that's gorgeous. Okay, that's the first thing. Let me get this out of my hands. So that's the first thing. Ooh, that's lovely. Yes, ma'am. Can you just imagine that all over your lid? With the black liner? Okay, this is the second thing in the box. Okay, You know, you gotta get some tweezers, girl, for these nails. Ooh, y'all like my Gothmas nails? I had a lot of fun with these. Ooh, they packaged it nicely. Okay, so here, oh, look at this. This is 4 shadows. Wow. There's this one. Beautiful blues. And that one. I'm going to open up and tell you the names, but I'm just showing them to you right now. This one. So we got blues and silvers. So, as I said in the intro, that I won a contest on Instagram to name the box for November, and so they invited everyone, you know, to submit a name that they thought would be good. So I thought about snow, and then I thought about black, because I love black. And I found something about black snow. I looked up black snow, and then I found Cryoconite, the black snow of Greenland. So that's the name, and I won by 69% of the vote. So oh, probably not. Oops, on my seat. Anyway, so that is the theme of the box. Oh my God, I can't believe it. This is so cool. And these are the silvers that came in the box. And there's something else. I'm going to read the names to you later. And by the way, this is the Collective Cosmetics that I'm wearing today. It's gorgeous, and I love the shadows. I love all the stuff, but look at this. I'm happy with my look. Y'all tell me down in the comments what y'all think about this. So here is the next thing. Let's see. Okay. Oh, look. Oh, it's a hairpin. Oh, this is so exciting. I can't believe that what the name I chose won. But I don't know if you guys saw my last video, I was talking about all the really good luck I've been having lately, and this was one of them. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Y'all see that? That's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I don't know if it will pin in my locks, but I know it'll pin on one of my wigs. I do know that. And I think that is everything in the box. So now let's see the names of the shades. Okay, so this blue one here. And I'm so heavy-handed, and I have to try to be careful. This one is called, oh, there's no name on there. I guess it's just, this is the Cryoconite box, and these are the shades for them. Wow. I'm gonna use them, of course. I am gonna use them. But a little tiny part of you is just save it. Okay, come on out. Because I'm going to swatch these. I'm going to take this glove off, and I'm going to swatch the shades for you. So that's that one. I love these colors. And all this silver, oh, it's great, it's great. I can't get that one out. Come on, baby. Come on out. Don't break it, Anita, please. My excitement to get it out. This isn't really silver. It's like gunmetal, which I guess is kind of like silver, but it's kind of gunmetal and seems like it has green in it. Okay, so I'm going to swatch the blue ones first. So this is the darker blue one. Oh, if you like these gloves, by the way, I got these from Vampire Finery and Vampiric Finery. And it is owned by MOTETZ, which is one of my favorite brands. And I have a discount code with them as well. And I have a discount code with the Collective Cosmetics. So I will either put those codes on the screen, and of course I'll put them in the description box. And I'm just trying to get this glove off so I don't tear it. Like I said, I'm heavy-handed sometimes. Oh yeah, see my little goth Christmas tree. And this is, can you see Armand over there with his little skull cap on? And there's gonna be something else in a minute. Okay, here we go. Now this is the deeper blue one. Oh, I still got that on my finger. Hold on. Y'all know I'm a hot mess. Okay. So this is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I hope I do pretty good swatches. I'm trying to see in my viewfinder. But I do not have any glasses on. That's that one. Oh, that was a terrible swatch. That's better. A little anyway. Okay, and this is the next shade. I'm trying to be careful with these. And that's the next shade. Beautiful. Okay, and this is the lighter of what I was saying was silver. That's my black snowflakes falling. Y'all don't know how many times I tried to get these things up here to stay, but I couldn't get them to stay, so it's okay. It's alright. It's snow. It's falling, right? There's always a silver lining. I get that. I get that from my husband. He's always making, I guess, this little dad jokes. So I guess this is, well, grandpa jokes. I guess this is my grandma jokes. That's that one. Oh. Ah, so pretty. And this is the last one, and that's the shade. It's a pinky swatch. Those are usually not the best, but oh, this will make such a lovely look. The four of these. Just so that is the Cryoconite box. The Black Snow of Greenland, and I am thrilled to pieces. I am just thrilled to pieces. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Now there is, I want to tell you what I am wearing from the Collective Cosmetics. So I will put these away and I will be right back. Okay. I wanted to go over the things that I'm wearing, you guys. So the palette that I have on is the Photos and Demos. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's the Moon Twin eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. And I have to be careful because I'm heavy-handed and I was swatching it a little bit too hard. Oh, I'm blinding y'all again. This shade, this green shade, this mustard yellow shade, this green shade, and for highlighter I have on these two. So the first one is called Tryst. The second shade is Flight. The third mustard shade is Spectra. And then this green one here is Luna. And this one is, the highlight is in Dazzling. That's the one you see the most here. Dazzling. And then I have a little bit of emblazoned, the gold, and so I put that here, and that's what I use for my highlight. So I also have a couple of more, and they're here, some singles, and this one here, I'm wearing that one, that's in here, and that one's called Spruce. And then the gold shimmer you see there, that's Avalon. And then I'm using this blush in, oh gosh, I can't remember the name already. Oh, Sorceress. That's it. No, it's Sorcerer, I believe. Come on. I can't get it out with my nails. Guess y'all wonder why the hell she wear this nails, because she can't do a damn thing in them. Yeah, I believe it's Sorcerer, and it is from the Warlock collection. They have several collections, and they have the Creatures of the Night. So those were the ones I was drawn to the most. Not that I weren't drawn to the other ones. Sorcery, that's the name of the blush that I'm wearing. And I'm also wearing, as my lipsticks, I'm wearing their lacquers. So you can use this wherever you want it. So I have the black and I have the green. And if the names are on here, I cannot read them. They may not be on the packaging, but you will be able to see the names of them on the website. And one more thing, I am wearing this beautiful yellow liner, and I have this here in my lower lash line. So those are all the products from the Collective Cosmetics that I'm wearing today. I love them. Like I said, you guys let me know what you think about this look. I'm very happy with it myself. So now I have a little treat for one of you for the season. And I think what I'm gonna do is, I know it's Christmas now, and so you would get this after Christmas, but I'm also going to do some New Year's giveaways, just to celebrate that it is a new year, and I'm thankful for everyone who has been here with me since the beginning and all the new people as well. So now I'm going to show you what your treat is. Now, it's a little goodie bag, and one of the items in here is a liquid lip from the Collective Cosmetics. And then there's a lip balm in here, and a lip scrub, a perfume, and there's a sample of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream in here. So one of you will be receiving this little gift. So in the comments, just put just use the word black in your comment, so I know that you want to be entered in the contest. And it is for the US only. You have to be 18 years or older, and this giveaway is not sponsored or affiliated with YouTube. Okay, and I am going to be doing a haul, probably wearing this that I got on, because girl, I'm gonna try to do that today, so I'm not putting on a whole new face. I know there's these superheroes out here that are making these 4 or 5 videos a day. I bow to you, because I am not that girl. Okay, so this is going to be in the giveaway during my haul that's coming up. And you may see both of these videos in the same day, I'm not sure. But this little stocking with a little goodies in it is going to be, like I said, in the haul video as the giveaway. So make sure you subscribe, and to qualify, I'm sorry, I should have said this earlier, but I'll put it all in the description box. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. If you unsubscribe after the giveaway, then you won't be qualified for this giveaway or any others. And if you would please follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok. And for those of you who do that, I will add an extra gift to the little giveaway if you are a winner and you have subscribed to both of those. So I think that is it for this video. Again, I am thrilled. I'm so thrilled, and I appreciate the fact that I got a chance to name a subscription box. I love the Collective Cosmetics. They have wonderful products. Like I said, I have a 10% discount. It is not an affiliate code. I don't get any money if you use it. It is just a nice gesture that they made to me to share with you, which I thought was very generous. So I think that's all I want to say, because y'all know I yap on and on and on. So anyway, I hope you are enjoying your holidays, no matter where you are and what you're doing. I hope you're all doing wonderfully well, and please take care of yourselves and others out here in the world, and I will see you hopefully in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Forever, Viva, you're pretty. Bye.